What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Splash by Ty James. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is pretty simple. You're in standard tuning, capo on your first fret. You're only using 4 chords. We've seen them before. If you need the diagrams for these, all the diagrams for the major chords are in the free ebook that's in the description. Once you get done with the video, check the description. There's a link in there for a free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. All the chord diagrams are in there if you need them. We're starting out with an F chord. Then we're going to a C. Then we're going to A minor. And then we're going to G. Those 4 chords repeat throughout the entire song. You can really strum this or pick this any way that you feel necessary. There's no real guitar or no prominent guitar in the song, so you can kind of do whatever you want with this, have fun with it. A strumming pattern that I will give you to start out with is a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys, and make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.